Hello guys, today I have got Cudy P2 router and I'm going to show you how to fix that the VPN connectivity is failing to establish. At first, you need to confirm the VPN type and settings. Verify if you're using WireGuard, OpenVPN or PPTP or L2TP protocols, which the last two are older protocols. There are of course other VPN providers, so verify that by opening the control panel of your router, which is on the Cudy.net website, and here tap settings, then VPN, and now check the info you received with the protocol set here. Number 2, check VPN credentials. A failed login is one of the most common causes. Verify if you are using correct username, verify if using correct passwords, try not to paste it, try to rewrite it yourself, or copy it without any spaces or special marks. Server address, port number, encryption settings, and certificate or key files. Common mistakes, as I said, are copying files at the end of the credentials, using a VPN website password instead of the VPN service password, using an expired configuration file. Number 3, verify internet connectivity first. Before troubleshooting VPN, confirm that it has internet access. So go here to the main menu, status internet connected. It should be now good for you. Number 4, check APN and carrier restrictions. Since the Cudy P2 is just used with the 5G or 4G SIM cards, the carrier can affect VPN connections. So you need to here open settings, then advanced. Here you need to go, wait a moment, I need to find it. Okay, so it won't be in advanced settings and then cellular. Now here APN, and now you should see that it's enabled, it has data roaming enabled, MBN, and here the APN profile. When it comes to the manual, when you have it set to the manual, you need to verify the correct APN for your carrier. Some carriers use CGNAT, which is carrier grade NAT, restricted ports, VPN filtering, etc. When it comes to the symptoms, internet works normally, VPN never connects, VPN works on phone but not router. So, possible fixes is to request a public IPv4 address from the carrier, enable IPv6 if your VPN supports it, use a VPN protocol that works through NAT, like WireGuard, OpenVPN or UDP/TCP. Try changing VPN protocol. If your VPN fails, try another protocol, like WireGuard. Usually the best choice for 4G or 5G. Advantages: faster, lower latency, and handles roaming well. OpenVPN UDP is good for balance. OpenVPN TCP useful if UDP is blocked. So that should be it. Let me know if it works. Goodbye.